Okay, now let's move on to question 3. Question 3, we've got to create a class called timeslot. Cool, create a new class called timeslot with counselor, start hour, and is available fields as indicated above. So all three private fields and this is called time slot. Not a capital R, time slot. Cool, so now in here we need to create 3 fields, all different types. So private string counselor, private int start hour, and private boolean is available. Cool. Once we've got that, we can read here. We need to move on to the constructor, and if it is always set to true by default. So unless it's changed, from what I take from this is that every time it's read in, it is always true. So let's actually set it true up here so that it can work that out later. So then if it is false when it's read in, it does change that. So it's true by default. Let's create our constructor. Remember alt insert, our constructor, which we have start out, but we also have, yeah, that's all. Yeah. Cancel and our start time. So wait, let's actually rather put this in our constructor. So is available is equal to true. So is equal to true. Cool. Then what do we need next? We need our mutator to set is available field. Okay, so we just go public void set the available. We have a boolean input in A for input available, and we set this dot available is equal to NA. Cool. Once we've got that, create accessor / get methods for counselor name, start hour, and is available. So don't forget alt insert, and we can say we want to insert our getters for counselor name, start hour, and is available. We can generate those. Next, we have code a private method called getEndHour that returns the hour on which the time slot ends. Remember that each time slot is 1 hour long. For example, if a time starts in at 1 or end at 2. So have a private, let's say integer, private int get end hour turn start hour plus 1. We can actually prefix this, so we can go plus plus start hour. Oh, but we do not want to increment. We do not want to increment start hour, so start hour plus 1. Nice and simple. Next, we have our toString. In our toString, we have counselor name, start hour, and end hour. So we can have a return. It's counselor name, so counselor colon space start hour. And this is colon 00 space dash space end hour, so we can get end hour plus and now colon 00, and that should be the correct format. Yeah, looks like it. Okay, so I think that is the time slot done. Yeah, I'm going to move on to the next question.